Hello and welcome to the Ricola case study. So Ricola wanted to leverage mid-tier and micro-influencers to promote Ricola cough drops through Insta stories, videos, and boomerangs. Influencers picked up the task, created content, and even sang the Ricola jingle. Finally, 38 influencers posted 40 posts all across Instagram, reaching 1.2 million people and got a whopping 6% engagement rate.
Ricola. Chcesz?
Ricola.
Ricola.
Ricola. Ricola. Ricola.
And of course, Ricola gets to keep and reuse this influencer-generated content in digital for the next 10 years. Whether on their own socials, their website, paid ads, it's all theirs. So thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll see you in the feeds.